Random interesting history facts. 1. Roman use of urine. Romans used urine for various purposes, including as a cleaning agent and in the process of tanning leather. They even collected urine from public urinals to use in various industries. 2. Pythagorean silence. The ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras, the namesake of the Pythagorean theorem, reportedly adhered to a rule of silence. He believed that certain words and sounds had mystical qualities, and speaking unnecessarily would disturb the harmony of the universe. 3. Ancient Indian Kama Sutra. The Kama Sutra, often associated with sexual positions, is actually a guide to virtuous and gracious living that includes advice on love, family, and relationships, alongside intimate matters. 4. Viking berserkers. Viking warriors known as berserkers were said to enter a trance-like state before battle, becoming ferocious and fearless. Some historical accounts suggest that they may have consumed hallucinogenic mushrooms or herbs to induce this state. 5. Roman belief in the evil eye. Romans were superstitious about the evil eye, and believed that envious looks could bring harm. To ward off the evil eye, they used various charms, including phallic symbols, known as fascinum. 6. Chinese finger chopping. In ancient China, finger chopping was a form of punishment for various crimes. The severity of the punishment depended on the severity of the crime, and sometimes it extended to the chopping off of multiple fingers. 7. Ostracism in Athens. In ancient Athens, citizens could use a process called ostracism to vote to banish any person they deemed a threat to the city-state for 10 years. The banished person would have to leave within 10 days. 8. Spartan black soup. The Spartans were known for their simple and frugal lifestyle. One of their famous dishes was black soup, a concoction made from boiled pig's legs, blood, salt, and vinegar. 9. Hannibal's use of vinegar. During the Second Punic War, Hannibal famously crossed the Alps with his army, including war elephants. To deal with the Alps' harsh conditions, he is said to have used vinegar to melt rocks and create makeshift paths for his troops. 10. Egyptian toothpaste. Egyptians were known to practice oral hygiene, and one of their toothpaste recipes included ingredients like crushed rock salt, mint, dried iris flowers, and pepper. 11. Alexander the Great and Diogenes. When the famous philosopher Diogenes was asked by Alexander the Great if he wanted anything, Diogenes replied, "Stand out of my sunlight." Alexander was so impressed by this response that he supposedly said, "If I were not Alexander, I would like to be Diogenes."